Hi there, Jennifer here again, wanting to drop a line and say hello and talk about our ACS Team Sensationals Cleaning Up Hunger program. We've kind of created a culture in our company really around building community. And one of the ways that we give back to the community and we help foster that culture is our program for cleaning up hunger. It's just a real big passion here at ACS. Too many kids, too many adults are really going through a struggle, and if there's not enough food, we just think that's unacceptable in today's society. So one of the ways that we've been able to gather and collect so much food to give back to the community is with the help of our clients. So when a client comes on board and partners with ACS, they become an automatic community rock star. We take care of all of the work. There is no work to the client whatsoever. We pick a month with them for the year during the year and bring out one of our food barrels, and they send out a company memo. Hey, today there's a food barrel this month on the property. Please bring in any non-perishable donations, and we could collect food through the whole month from that client, and then we come back at the end of the month to pick up that barrel, take some photos, post that stuff up on social media, and then we take that food and we go down to the local Catholic charities or food pantry in the community that we serve and donate that. We do keep track of it because we have some pretty high goals of wanting to feed 1 million families. So hopefully you find this interesting, and maybe you have a very similar culture at the company that you work for. I'd like to hear about it. Give me a call, 607-324-1841. Thanks.